everyone, I'm Lily. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to make this square motif. I use 4.5 millimeters hook, 4.5 millimeters cotton yarn. Make a magic circle like this. Fix this yarn I show. Insert your hook under this yarn. Take working yarn, pull up yarn and chaining. Yarn over, pull up yarn, make chains. Chain 1, 2, yarn over, go to this ring. Stitch first round in this ring. Pull up yarn. We have 3 yarns unhook. Yarn over, pull through 2 yarns together, yarn over, pull through 2 yarns together. Make 1 double crochet, yarn over, go to this stitch, pull up yarn. We have 3 yarns unhook, yarn over, pull through 2 yarns together, yarn over, pull through 2 yarns together. 1, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, 4 double crochet, 5 double crochet, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Double crochet in first round. I show in first stitch in here. We have chains. With these chains we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 stitches in total in first row. Go to top of these chains. In top of these chains we have 2 yarns. Take these yarns on your hook, pull up yarn, slip stitch. Make first round. In total we have 16 stitches. Make 1, 2 chains, add 1 more chain, yarn over, go to next stitch, insert your hook into next stitch, pull up yarn, pull through 2 yarns, pull through 2 yarns. I show. Add 1 chain, yarn over, go to next stitch, pull up yarn, pull through 2 yarns, pull through 2 yarns, make double crochet, add 1 chain, yarn over, go to next stitch, 1 double crochet, add 1 chain in next stitch, 1 double crochet, 1 chain in next stitch, 1 double crochet, 1 chain. Repeat like this for this round. 1 double crochet, 1 chain. I show in 2 last stitches. Go to next stitch, make 1 double crochet, add 1 chain, yarn over, go to last stitch, insert your hook into last stitch, 1 double crochet, Aisha. In here we make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 stitches. After this double crochet, after this stitches, we make 1 chain. Repeat, make 1 chain in here. Continue like this. Add 1 chain. Go to first stitch after these chains. Pull up yarn, slip stitch. Make 1, 2 chains, yarn over, go to this space, insert your hook in here, pull up yarn, we have 3 yarns on hook, pull through, double crochet. Now we have 2 stitches in here. I show. After this double crochet, add 1 chain, go to next space. 1 double crochet, go to same stitch, 2 double crochet, add 1 chain, yarn over, go to next space, 1 double crochet in same stitch, 2 double crochet, add 1 chain in next stitch, 1, 2, add 1 chain and repeat. I show in last stitch, add 1 chain, go to last stitch, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, go to top of first chains, make a chain, go to here, slip stitch. In here for next row, continue like this. Pull up this yarn, yarn over. In here we have chains and double crochet. Skip this stitch, go to this space between these stitches. In here, pull up yarn, pull through, make 1 double crochet in here. Make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 chains, yarn over, skip this stitch, go to next space, 1 double crochet. I show. Add 1, 2, 3 chains, skip this stitch, go to next space, make a single crochet, 1, 2, 3 chains, skip this stitch, go to here, make a single crochet, add 1, 2, 3 chains, yarn over, skip this stitch, go to here, make double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 chains, yarn over, go to next stitch, skip this stitch, make 1 double crochet. I show. We have double crochet, 6 chains, double crochet, 3 chains, single crochet, 3 chains, single crochet, 3 chains, double crochet, 6 chains, double crochet, 1, 2, 3 chains, single crochet, 1, 2, 3 chains, single crochet, 1, 2, 3 chains, double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 chains, double crochet, 1 2 3 chains, single crochet, 1 2 3 chains, single crochet, 1 2 3 chains, yarn over in here, make double crochet, 1 2 3 4 5 6 chains, double crochet, 1 2 3 chains, single crochet, and so we make 4 corners. I'm showing to last stitch, 1 2 3 chains, skip 2 stitches, go to here, make single crochet in here, make 1 chain in last stitch, in first stitch we have 1 chain, pull up this chain and hold in here, go to here, after this chain hold this yarn, I show slowly, we make 1 chain, insert your hook into this chain, pull up yarn, hold this yarn on your hook, pull through 2 yarns together. In here add 2 chains, I show. After these chains, go to this corner, make 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, 4 double crochet, 5 double crochet, add 1 chain, repeat 1 2 3 4, add 1 chain, go to these chains, we have 3 chains in this stitch, go to here, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, add 1 chain, repeat 1 2 3, add 1 chain in here, 1 2 3, make a chain, go to corner, make like these stitches, 1 2 3 4 5, make a chain, 1 2 3 4 5, add 1 chain, 1 2 3, make a chain, repeat 1 2 3, make a chain like this stitches in here, 3 clusters, 1 2 3, make a chain, go to corner, repeat like this stitches 5 double crochet, 1 chain, 5 double crochet, and repeat 3 clusters in here. I will make this stitch. I made this stitch. Continue, add 1 chain, go to here, 1, 2, 3 double crochet, add 1 chain, go to next chains, 1, 2, 3 chains, make a chain. In here we made 3 chains. This is last stitch of this round. Go to this stitch, make 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet. With these chains we have double crochet like this stitch. Go to top of this chains, slip stitch. I show. Now we have 1, 2, 3 stitches, 3 stitches. I show. 1, 2, 3 stitches.